Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Alfa Romeo Giulia versus M4. We will dive into their performance, design, and overall driving experience. The Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio delivers an impressive 505 horsepower, while the BMW M4 competition is right there with 503 horsepower. Both vehicles are incredibly quick, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds, offering thrilling acceleration for any enthusiast. Moving to design, the Alfa Romeo Giulia captivates with its elegant Italian styling, highlighted by the iconic V-Scudetto grille. In contrast, the BMW M4 presents a more aggressive and muscular stance, featuring its prominent large kidney grille. Inside, both cars provide a luxurious experience with high-quality materials and cutting-edge infotainment systems, ensuring comfort and connectivity on every journey. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Alfa Romeo Giulia is celebrated for its incredibly nimble and engaging feel, making every turn a joy. The BMW M4, on the other hand, is renowned for its precise handling and track-focused capabilities, offering exceptional control at high speeds. Both vehicles incorporate advanced suspension systems, ensuring optimal grip and a confident driving experience in various conditions. Finally, let's consider practicality and value. The Alfa Romeo Giulia strikes a fantastic balance, offering exhilarating sportiness alongside surprising daily usability. The BMW M4 also delivers robust performance while providing more practical rear seating and trunk space for everyday needs. Both cars represent significant investments, but offer distinct advantages depending on your priorities. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.